Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. Today we're gonna do jerk season Jamaican style. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and please hit the notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. And please share and like the video. So guys, today that we're gonna use today for making the jerk season. So we have some grate of nutmeg, grate of cinnamon, we have 2 scotch bonnet pepper, we have a tablespoon of salt, we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, we're gonna use 1.5 white onion, some ginger, we're gonna use 10 cloves of garlic, spring onion, we're gonna use around 4 stalks of spring onion, and we're gonna use some meat browning, pimento, soya sauce, and we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. Hi guys, so right now the first step we're gonna do is put in some oil. We're gonna put in around 2 tablespoons of oil. So 2 tablespoons of oil in that. I'm gonna chop up this 1 white onion. So 1 white onion in the blender. We have some garlic. We have 9 cloves of garlic. We're gonna put in 9 cloves of garlic. You don't have to cut them, but just chop them in like that. Ginger, just give it a nice slice. Not too thick. Piece of ginger. Scotch bonnet pepper, let's cut off the head. Let's put in scotch bonnet pepper. Now we're gonna put another half of white onion. Spring onion. I'm gonna slice up my spring onion. I'm gonna put some thyme. The dry thyme give it the same taste and the same flavor like the fresh thyme. So I'm gonna chop it down in it, squeeze it down. 1 tablespoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Some pimento. Now we're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, grate of nutmeg. Cinnamon, 2 teaspoons. Of cinnamon. We're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of meat browning. One teaspoon of meat browning. White vinegar. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Lemon. We're using 1 lemon. Gonna take out the seed. So my friend of mine will say, Selvin, you need to give me the recipe for the jerk sauce. So I said, alright then, I'm gonna make a video, show you guys how we prepare jerk sauce for our chicken or anything you're jerking. So we're gonna squeeze 1 lemon. Take out the seed out of this one. Get all of that lemon juice out. Soya sauce. We're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Hi guys, I just fit everything in this blender. I've put the pimento, the pounded cinnamon, the nutmeg, the onion, the ginger, the garlic, the lemon, spring onion, meat browning, soy sauce. Everything is in it guys, so now I'm just gonna blend this up now. Hi guys, I just blend up all of the season. Everything is in it, so I'm just gonna hop in it and check it. Oh, look at that, people. This is my jerk sauce. Oh, that smells nice. Hi guys, I just finished blend up all of the jerk season. So now I'm just going to throw it out in a little small bowl to show you guys how to have a smooth paste. So everything blend right out. Just going to use a spoon and stir it up. Look at that, people. So this is my secret recipe for all of my subscribers. So please share and like the video, and please make a comment, and please hit that big red button, that's subscribe button. Guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe as yet, please do. So guys, this is my secret recipe, my jerk season. So guys, till next time, stay safe.